Hi my lovely crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful hibiscus flower. Don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll guide you slowly, step by step so you can crochet along with me. So grab your yarn and hook and let's begin. For today's project you'll need a 0.9mm crochet hook and dark red acrylic double knit yarn. Let's start by making the flower center. Make a magic ring, and for round 1, chain 1 and make 5 single crochets into the magic ring. Then slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Now gently pull the yarn tail to close the ring. For round 2, make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. At the end of the round, slip stitch to join. For round 3, make a single crochet. And then 2 single crochets in the same stitch around. Then slip stitch to join. For round 4, make 2 double crochets. Then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all around and slip stitch to join. For round 5, change the yarn colour to bright red and make single crochet. Three double crochet. You have to crochet in between 2 stitches for this round. Then do a double crochet and single crochet in the same stitch around. This completes the base of the flower. Now we're going to start making the petals. Change the yarn colour to pink and do single crochet, double crochet and double crochet in between the stitches. Repeat. single crochet, chain 1 and turn. Then do single crochet, double crochet in between the stitches. Repeat. And then finally single crochet, chain 1 and turn. Now do single crochet and double crochet in between each stitches, and finally single crochet and slip stitch in the base. Cut off the excess yarn. Make sure you do your stitches evenly and neatly, and try not to rush. Now repeat the same pattern for the other petals. Once all the petals are complete, cut the extra yarn and hide the yarn tails neatly. Now the petals are ready. Next we're going to make the sepal using green yarn. Make a magic ring, and for the first round follow the same pattern as the flower center. You need 6 single crochets instead of 5, and slip stitch to close. Now for round 2, do a single crochet and then 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and repeat this all the way around. For round 3, do 2 single crochets, then 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and repeat. For round 4, do 3 single crochets and then 2 single crochets in the same space. For rounds 5 and 6, do single crochet in each stitch. For round 7, chain 5 and slip stitch in a second chain from the hook. Then do a single crochet, 2 half double crochets, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch and repeat. Do this all the way around. Now for the pollen, use white yarn and chain 12. Slip stitch in the third chain, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 3, and slip stitch in the next stitch, and repeat this. Now chain 4 and slip stitch in the next stitch, and then repeat that until the end. It should resemble a curly shape. Your pollen should look something like this. Now apply glue at one end of the wire and attach the pollen. Continuously wind the yarn around the wire for about 6 centimeters and secure with glue. You can twist the pollen so that it keeps its curly shape. Now you attach your pollen. Apply glue randomly over the pollen and dip it in the yellow sand. Putting glue naturally helps it keep its natural appearance. Now tip off to make sure that excess sand comes off. Now attach the sepal on the back of the flower and secure it with glue. Now insert the pollen into the centre part. To finish the flower, take green yarn and wind it around the stem wire. Wrap it neatly all the way down to create a smooth flower stem. And now, your beautiful crocheted hibiscus flower is complete. Look at how delicate and elegant it turned out. You can make several of these flowers and arrange them into a beautiful bouquet. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Happy crocheting, everyone!